Welcome to the another video. So in this video we will cover create our brand logo. So if I click here, so you see here have our shrine theme logo, which is came from settings, and click the general. You see shrine themes general, click the pen icon. If we change this name here, you can change it and it will show here. This is okay. So we need for our store brand logo, so I will prefer for canva.com. You just sign up this canva.com. So here if we search for logo, you see many logo, it will came here. You see logo, so we don't need like this. We want canva.com. If we search logo, so we don't need the logo design logo like this. We are build custom, okay, for suitable our store. So now I will canva.com home page. So if you see here have the custom size, create new. So I will click here and set a custom size. So I just prefer for width 400 and height for 100. Okay, so it is perfectly set up our store here. Okay, so you see here, and now if we click this name, also you can set up here your logo like this, or you can search here any type of, suppose pet logo. You see many kind of like this. So suppose we are need like this or this, we can add it here. So I just click it here. Okay, so we don't need this. We need another design elements. So you can search here anything you want. So I just need to text here. So add heading, click here, give it the name, your shrine theme or anything you want. So here I just keep my shrine market, okay, like this. Sorry, shrine market like this name, and you can bold it whatever you want. This is center wise, okay, perfect. And we can use a element. You see I just element here, just pets, and if you click the see all, we must keep the free version. So suppose I will, okay, we are going to another free option, okay, natural. I will just search, and suppose we just need like this, okay, click here and okay, perfect. And my logo like this. We can change the color, so I will keep it black, and this is also black. Okay, so like this, it's up to you. You can manage your any kind logo. So simply this is it's perfect now. So we can download it here. Simply just click here, click the download. Make sure file type is PNG. Click the, also you can change it JPG or PNG. So I suggest you can keep this PNG. Simply download it here. Okay, it is download. Now I will go my store again, go to the backend and click the themes, customize, admin. So make sure you keep your home page, go to the settings, and you see here have the logo option. Click the logo, select your logo, or you can drag and drop your logo here. For the mobile secondary logo, you can choose also. So I recommend you just keep your first logo. You see this is logo here, and desktop logo width, which is 200, we can increase a little more. So I suggest you can keep this 280 your sizes, or you arrange this your own customize. And mobile logo width, you see favicon image also. So I will keep this exact same logo, which is like this. This is favicon. And secondary logo, so let's check for the mobile. You see like this, we don't need the secondary, so it is automatically desktop and mobile for this. And mobile logo you can increase also, so we check mobile for. So I suggest you can keep this 180 for the mobile layout. Okay, it is perfect for. And that's it. I hope you can upload your brand logo, and finally you just save here. After save, you can click here, view your store, and also you can check your logo here also.